So through this video, I want to show you how to do a import of existing data, existing subscribers into Market Hero, which is an email service provider. So here we're on the main area. So what we want to do to do this is to go to leads, okay? And it's going to load through. Okay, so we have our current data in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to import. We're going to press that. And it's going to browse a file. So this is the CSV, the Excel file that we have to import in. We want to find it on our local machine. So I'm going to go ahead and go browse. And right here, I'm just going to, let's say, take a random file. And this is just an example. So this one right here. And it's going to say, notice that the leads are import. We're going to verify. We're just going to go click OK. Now what you're going to do here is you want to do a mapping, okay? So you want to go to import the email field. You want to map it to, well, email, okay? So these things have to match. So this is part of the Excel file, and this is the Market Hero field. The important thing is to make sure the email matches, okay? So email goes to email. Now it's also found in the Excel file. There's in the second column, it's called name. And that's actually the first name, so I'm going to go ahead and do that too, although this is not really too important. The main thing is to make sure that the Excel field's email is mapped into the Market Hero email. That's the important thing. And so it's basically going to generate every column within the file that you provide, from the file that you provide. And this is what we call a tag. Now, a tag is what you name this import within Market Hero, so it has a reference name to it. In other words, it's a list name. It's a segment name. And so here we're going to name it. I'm just going to put a reference name to it. Jimmy 120K 120 day RJ sales. That's just for my reference here. And that's going to be the name of this chunk that this file that we're going to import. Now, Market Hero wants to know the previous mailing platform, so we're going to give it Reach Mail. Now, the key thing is to make sure that the leads are already in Reach Mail, so that when they log in, they can check it inside of Reach Mail. So we're going to give them the Reach Mail login, actually. And I already made a login within Reach Mail for them to check. It's a special login only for Market Hero to log into to check that the leads are already subscribed within Reach Mail. And so the previous is this, okay? And then the username is Market Hero. And the username and password is actually Market Hero that we're going to provide for them. Okay, Market Hero. And the contact number, I'm just going to put, go ahead and put my number, that's fine. 408-300-9390. I've read the terms, check this. Okay, so it looks like we got everything. The emails, and we got everything. We named it. This list that's gonna, looks like we got everything. And then we just go to import. That's it. So right here, there's unassigned columns. Do you want to import the file anyways? Yes, okay. And so a total of 2 leads will be discarded. Actually, that's basically in the file. There's 2 rows that are basically the names of the columns, so that's fine. You can go to OK on this. You can discard that. And then it's going to go to import. And that's how you do an import within Market Hero. And the key thing to remember is you want to do if you import new leads, you want to have them inside a Reach Mail first before you import it into Market Hero. That's really the key there.